This is 2000 Ford Ranger 2.5 liter. Having current problems, weird fucking noise, clunking, clacking, whatever you want to call it. I'm making this video to put up on the forum to get advice, as I've already changed the throwout bearing and the pilot bearing, and upon doing so was fine for a day, and then the clacking started. So let's see if I can set this camera up. As you can hear, when I started the truck, the noise went away and then it came back. It does that every so often where the noise will disappear, it'll run fine, and then it'll come back with a vengeance. I'm thinking possibly the slave cylinder and possibly a whole brand new clutch. I'm open to suggestions. Anything would help. Thank you very much.